engaged gold investors are already looking at your kind of opportunity. It'll take a bit of time for the more generalists perhaps to come in.
Yes, and a part of our approach to this recent meltdown, Gwen, has been to stay visible, to continue basically doing some of the advertising we've been doing to broaden our awareness on BNN and Bloomberg in the States as well as Canada. So we just decided strategically to keep doing that work on the expectation that we'd get through this really rocky patch and come out the other side with more people aware of our story than otherwise would be the case, you know.
Mm-hmm. Having cash in the bank right now is a great position to be in, because now the gold market looks pretty robust,
Yes.
and stronger even than it was before the chaos began. And you guys are set up to roll right into a significant drill program. So juniors who are short on cash and see that gold market ahead would be envious of your position and your ability to do that. So that's working in your favor for sure.
Yes, that's a good point. Yes, we absolutely are well cashed up. We have all the cash we need. I think the fact that I might add that we're in British Columbia is proving to be a boon as well, because British Columbia is tracking more akin to Korea, shall we say, in terms of the impact of COVID-19, right? It's not tracking like the US.
Mm-hmm.
Be a relatively low incidence of the virus in the interior and northern areas, and that's where we operate, is the far north. We're not near any communities. All our suppliers are up in northern BC or in the Okanagan, so we can move. They don't have to come in from out of province or country. So we're well set up to execute, and it's looking like we'll be able to do so quite efficiently. In fact, we're busy right now on the ground up there.
Okay, so let's get into the details. Let's talk about what you're doing now. What are there any impediments in your way before you start drilling on permitting or consultation or anything of that sort?
No, you know, we announced not long ago that we got our drill permit. So that plus we were waiting for the drill permit for Golden Line, one of our two flagships, and we already had the drill permit for Snowball, our other flagship. And we're going to run, a lot of people don't realize the plan is to run both programs pretty much concurrently this summer, drilling on both. So that's good.
At least describe the key targets that you're so excited to drill up at Snowball and Golden Lion for anybody who wants a refresher or an introduction to those stories.
Well, at both Snowball and Golden Line, we believe they are intrusion-centered systems, right? So there's been an intrusive body or several that have come up into existing sediments, volcanic sediments, and other strata. And they are both principally gold, silver, and Golden Line's also got a copper kick to it. Snowball is one giant target ready to drill with the pads built, so we can be on that immediately. Golden Line is like several Snowballs in terms of its scale, and we believe all of these targets are related, and the mineralization is coming in several styles, and it's not deep. So what people need to understand is everything we're talking about is essentially on surface. It's out, or it's in soils or talus fines. So at Golden Line, we've got, for example, high-grade skarn. This is a copper, gold, silver skarn. We've got high-grade epithermal, very high grades in soil that we can put the drill on and hit. These are large targets as well. In plan view, they have considerable dimensions to them. And we also at Golden Line have potentially very sweet looking porphyry. We've sampled an outcrop over several hundred meters and quite broad widths, intense stockwork, which seems to be carrying very strong grades of gold, silver with the copper. It's sort of the one-for-one scenario. And if that emerges, that would be something major and new for the Toodoggin side, to have rich porphyry. And I can tell you, we are definitely going to be drilling probably some rich grades of gold vein systems, silver, which we've sampled in outcrop. So multiple targets in different styles ready to go near surface at Golden Line. And over at Snowball, it's just one big cherry with a drill pad on top, and we're going to start drilling.